How to repost someone's story on your story Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to repost someone's story on your story, it's not possible directly until and unless that person has tagged you on their story. So let's just go and check on the Snapchat application over here. So tap on the story section over here, and here you can see the story. Now just tap on any of the story over here, and here you can see you have been tagged. Now all you can do is tap on add to story option over here. So just tap on add to story, and here you can add any sort of emojis, any sort of gifs, or anything that you would want. So you can just mention any of the emojis as well, and then you can repost the story on your story. So without anyone tagging you on their account or on the story, you cannot repost their story. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.